I need to like not do that ever again.
This was a drive to collect some school supplies for the children from Trees of Hope.
What you want to put? What you got?
What the fuck?
Trying to use a motor car and yourself as one complete unit. That's really a biblical connection between the two, the man and the machine.
Welcome back! We are doing another early morning drive. Go figure! Meeting up some friends right now at a Starbucks. Plug. Starbucks, if you want to sponsor me, go and do that. My goal is to beat this rain again. That rain does not look like it's going to be very supportive of this drive today. But we'll see. Here we go. Morning squad. We got Scud with us. 458 Porsche Carrera. And then SLS. Very nice Mercedes. I'm a fan. But we're heading off to the next spot. I always like to meet up with a group of cars before we end up heading out. Oh, and then I'm out of gas. Let's go. He likes to drive. I like that. Alright gang, we have made it to the final stop. This is where we will have breakfast, gather all the cars, listen to all the wonderful sounds of exhausts rolling through the parking lot. So let's get a run through of the cars. Got a ZR1, Porsche Mclaren 720, Mclaren 570S, actually two of them, actually two great colors. The B12 Vantage,
570 I think, 570? Okay.
Porsche Carrera, friend here, let's go Prancing Horse, follow this guy. More Porsches. Porsche. those prancing horses over there. Let's come back over here, just walk through this. 720S, McLaren UGR Huracan. I think I've seen that one before. I don't know if it's as fast. It has to be as fast as a Performante, right? 458. I think this one is actually a twin turbo Aventador. If I can see the wrap color, I might be able to tell, because there's an orange one that has that twin turbo. And then Dion IDS or Inside Supercars 430, Ferrari 430, Mercedes. That thing is sweet. The SLS that we rolled with, and the Scud. I'm getting a few more. GT Car Joe! Representing the man in the machine! Always expect me to be here.
Yeah, I just got back, man.
I bet. I didn't expect you to be here because you were in Louisiana, man. I mean, having fun though. I8. Ooh, we even have some Alphas over there. So this is Julie's 600 LT. She's the one who set this event up, and it looks like she's got even a little logo of the place we're at. Those pipes, so much fun. I've always wondered how they wear over time, but you can see a little bit the heat kind of gets it, but that material is meant to be doused with that heat, that flame that fires out whenever she's flooring it. You can tell she tracks her car. You see a little bit of tire roll there. But yeah, fastest lady in Houston, at least log that we've seen, quarter mile. Amazing. And also follow IDS Supercars. Slow yellow cab, although he's not slow, I don't think. I've never raced him now. He could be slow. No, I'm just kidding. Come on, slow yellow cab, we'll get you. So part of the reason we're gathering here today too as well, which I left out earlier in the video, is the mere fact that we're donating some school supplies to those kids, maybe less fortunate. But there's a charity that Julie has worked with alongside to gather all this wonderful supplies and provide it to those kids in need. So all these supercar guys very kindly and graciously went out and about and got some cool supplies. Hopefully it's fun for the kids. Hopefully they enjoy it as this new school year starts. So we look forward to making them smile a little bit.
I want to thank everybody for coming out. It's going to be a great turnout. Did everybody get breakfast? Everybody got fruits? Coffee?
Joe got his fruits.
Okay, so I have all the maps. We're going to be passing these out. The first thing we're going to do
Officially rolling out.
We were doing like 140 all the way.
From the exclusive furniture vibe events. Ooh, I felt like a little rain. A little wet. Oh, it did rain a little bit. Drizzle. Dang it.
I gotta skip out. Everybody
Got us.
my neighborhood if that happens.
We finally caught the beautiful lady who organized everything.
Hey guys.
And it turned out wonderful. Thank you for doing this for us.
Yeah, sure. So let me tell you a little bit about the event. This was a drive to collect some school supplies for the children from Trees of Hope. They have about 230 children that they're holding right now, and these supplies are going to be given to them either for homeschooling or for in-school.
Amazing.
Yeah.
We love you for doing this. Not only was able to do something great for these kids, but it collected some wonderful people all around us to give good energy and good vibes back to the streets.
You guys, it's so weird.
I can't believe that you're going to sell me a Louis Vuitton bag.
Hey, I mean, when I see supercar owners, I'll pull up.
This is how the inner workings of hustle work right here.
Hey, what you want it for?
What you want it for? What you got?
I want What the fuck? Hold. I gotta get this on video.
What's going on here?
Come on, let's do that. I got PayPal. I want PayPal. Can you take PayPal? 11.
That's how you do business, right there. In case you were wondering, supercar fashion, right? Everybody needs a Louis Vuitton for their supercar. I think Aston and Louis Vuitton may be good, but I don't even know. I don't do Louis Vuitton. Let's just be honest. I do Chucks. All right, I think we're rolling out. Another solid collection of cars. Going to be fun. This drive up to Mexico. Always to Mexico. Such beautiful cars. Can you see me? I like hanging out with these people, and they're good fun to drive with. The biggest thing that I enjoy the most is the mere fact that we all are aware of our driving skills and capabilities. They're out revving you, man. They're out revving you. This guy right here. Hey, he promised. Yeah. There they go. He promised me a race. This guy against my Performante.
Yeah. Man, don't whoop me too bad. Please, man. Please. Don't whoop me, man. I'm still trying to get used to it.
I love it.
Good guy,
absolutely.
Man. It's all in fun.
Absolutely, all in fun. Guys, well, I just finished up the drive. Trust me, I had some fun. I had some fun. Let's go. Ready? Oh wait, no, that's too much. Oh yeah, stick shift, baby. Woo! Does that not make you smile? It makes me smile. That's all that matters, right? We gotta love the cars that we drive, no matter what they are. And this one, by choice, is one of my favorite stick shift, save the manual cars out there. But it's a good event, and I'm now headed home. Gonna get a workout in, of course, supporting the man, the machine while I work out. One of the things that I'm learning is to just wear the brand, show the brand. You guys will see it more and more. You may not appreciate it or like it as much as me, but there's some people out there that are curious and want to get to know what you're all about. And we love our cars our own unique way. Very few of our cars are the same. I mean, even if we get something off the lot, we're always going to tweak it to make it more comfortable for us so that we can drive it the way that we want to drive it. Making my cars feel one with me. Like, I'm glued to this stick and I can't leave it. I know when it needs me. And that roar tells me when I need to make some moves, shifts, maneuvers. Tires screeching at me, yelling at me, telling me I'm pushing it too much. Understeer, oversteer, oh, the communication between you and that car. Woo-wee! Inspire! Glad you guys joined me again. This is always fun. I think what I'm learning whenever I do this, it's like I'm trying to be social and interactive with people, but I'm also trying to think through how to get the video, and it's work. Hold up, wait a minute, it's work. But like I said, I'm enjoying this. I just feel like I could get better shots occasionally, and I'm going to learn how to do that. What keeps crossing my mind is finding one of you videographers out there to be on my side in that seat almost full time whenever I'm doing this stuff, and get some real content, some good stuff, some cameras that have that good focal length to kind of zoom in and zoom out. Like this GoPro lifestyle, it's great, it's easy, it's convenient, but you don't get the full like perception, that depth, that just granularity that you just like, oh, can you see my eyes? See, it blurred out a little bit, didn't it? It didn't focus on me. Follow, like, subscribe, smash the notifications button. I promise you'll at least get some entertainment value out of it. And if anything, it'll give you a way into connecting with me. Just find me. Let's talk. All right. Out. I want to drive. Put the camera down.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, just waiting.